Hello viewers. In this video I will show you how to make your account private on Instagram. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. A menu will appear from the bottom. Select Settings and Privacy. Swipe up to go down. Under Who can see your content, go to Account Privacy. Here you will find Private Account. Simply tap the slider to activate it. A menu will appear from the bottom. Tap on Switch to Private. From now on, only your followers will be able to see what you share, your photos or videos, and your followers and following lists. So in this way, you can make your account private on Instagram.